morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are well and you all must have done your homework. Yesterday we read three-letter words made with the help of vowel A. Today we will learn three-letter words with the help of vowel E. You can also speak phonic sound of E. Okay, let's start. Three-letter words with the help of vowel E. Students, you all are watch and read carefully. Okay? F E D fed. F E D fed. The next is B E D bed. The next is L E D led. Next R E D red. The next W E D wed. Next is D E N den. H E N hen. The next is M E N men. Next is P E N pen. Next is D E N den. Now write again. Students, speak loudly. F E D fed. B E D bed. L E D led. The next is R E D red. W E D wed. D E N den. H E N hen. M E N men. P E N pen. T E N ten. Okay. Now repeat again. F E D fed. Speak loudly, students. B E D bed. L E D led. R E D red. W E D wed. D E N den. H E N hen. M E N men. P E N pen. T E Students, today we learned some three new words with the help of vowel E. Okay? Your homework today is to write and remember three-letter words with the help of vowel E. Okay? Thank you.